I've been exploring the Home Depot Pro Extra credit card for some time now, and this video is my honest review. I'll go through the contractor perks, financing options, and possible limitations, so by the end, you'll know if the Home Depot Pro Extra credit card works for your business spending. The Home Depot Pro Extra credit card is designed mainly for contractors, remodelers, and other professionals who regularly buy supplies from Home Depot. Instead of functioning like a traditional rewards card, it focuses more on business-friendly financing and purchase management. If you are already buying large amounts of lumber, tools, and hardware from Home Depot, the idea is simple: get easier financing and some operational perks tied directly to those purchases. One of the main positives is the extended financing offers. Depending on the purchase size and promotions available in 2026, you can often get several months of deferred interest on large equipment or bulk material orders. For contractors managing multiple jobs, that breathing room can make a real difference in cash flow. Another benefit is purchase tracking. The card integrates with the Pro Extra loyalty program, which helps organize receipts, track spending by project, and simplify bookkeeping when tax season arrives. The card can also offer exclusive discounts or limited-time offers on certain materials and tools. These are not always massive savings, but for businesses that already rely on Home Depot, they can add up over time. However, there are some real downsides. The biggest one is that the card is very store-specific. Rewards and benefits are mostly tied to Home Depot purchases, so it is not useful for general business spending. Another issue is the interest rate. Like many store credit cards, the APR can be quite high if you carry a balance past the promotional financing period. It also lacks the kind of flexible rewards you would see on a general business credit card, such as cash back on fuel, travel, or office expenses. Overall, the Home Depot Pro Extra credit card makes the most sense for contractors who already spend heavily at Home Depot and want structured financing and purchase tracking. For everyone else, especially businesses looking for broader rewards or lower interest flexibility, a traditional business credit card will probably be the better option. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.